Until all of us are free. Until all of us are free.
It's a serious moment in the life of the nation. I mean, I know that Sunday is just, Sunday's Sunday, although the Steelers aren't playing, but it's another Sunday in the life of the nation. But it is Veterans Day. And the country collectively should recall personal commitment and the sacrifice and the honor of the people who serve. As Sunday rolls on, though, when you wake up and as you're going about your affairs, take a minute, just think what happened so long ago, because there are many reasons to reflect and things to ponder. Veterans Day, everything is different to everyone. Everybody has their own personal view, but it's filled with infinite meaning. But honoring veterans and remembering the people who fought, it's part of human heritage. It's a Latin word again. It goes back to customs and traditions and heritage. They're ancient. Go back to ancient Rome and before. And if nothing else, think about this, that this is the 100th year, the 100th anniversary since the end of World War I. And 100th anniversaries only come about just one time. And there will not be another. So remember it when you can. Live it while you can.